Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to go through my Boxycharm and I'm going to use all the products. That's not true. I'm not using all the products. In today's video, I'm using products from my June Boxycharm, and if you want to see how I put this together, then just hang out. Okay, so unboxing videos on the tubes are just like not a thing anymore. Nobody cares. Certainly nobody cares about my crappy unboxing videos, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my Boxycharm and I'm going to use the products so that you can actually see it. I'm not just going to say, oh, this looks like it'll be really great, and then I never talk about it ever again. No, we're really going to use it. So we're going to go one by one through the products, and then at the end, tutorial on this look. So here we go. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I got a sample of this a while back from some other purchase, and you guys, it's so good. When I saw that this was coming in the Boxycharm, oh my god, I was so pumped. I'm only just disappointed that it's not a bigger size, but this stuff is so expensive. You know I'm cheap, okay? This stuff is so expensive, but for good reason. It smells delicious. It makes your skin look and feel amazing, okay? If you're looking for a summertime cream that smells like the beach, and you just want to feel really fancy, this right here, okay? And I think that you can get it in these smaller sizes, so you don't have to commit too bad, but the big size is like $60-ish. I mean, it'll last you forever though. I really like it. I think you'll like it too. Next up, we have these Luxie face brushes. First, we've got the Luxie Dual Fiber Powder, then the Precision Foundation Brush, and then we've got a tapered highlighter. So, you know, to be really honest, I haven't really used these, but I mean, they're brushes, okay? I'm sure they're gonna be fine. They feel really soft. They feel like they're made really well. I'll end up using them as we go on. Time will tell. Okay, next is this Jante Blue Eye Pencil in the color Charcoal. I have gotten a Jante Blue pencil in another subscription box in a blue color, and it was okay. This one, I'm using it in this eye look. Stay tuned for my thoughts on this. Okay, next are these eyelashes by Baddington Lashes. These are the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. I'm used to a Invisiband. These are not an Invisiband. It's definitely like a thick banded lash. These are probably not for beginners, so they're a little heavier than what I'm used to, but not too bad, and you get used to them after a while. They look really pretty. They look actually pretty natural. The length isn't too crazy. They're not super duper flared out on the edges. That's not really my favorite. My preferred style of lash is ones that are like shorter on each edge and then longer in the middle, because I think that's just more flattering for my eye shape. I like them. I think they're really pretty. And I love that they came in this case, so they have a home to go back to when I take them off. That's always a plus. Okay, this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Verona. This is what I'm wearing right now. This is way out of my comfort zone, okay? This is like straight up brown, and as I'm looking in the viewfinder, it looks very dark. I'm nervous as to what my teeth appear like right now. Either they look whiter or they look like corn. It went on very nicely. It feels nice. It's definitely dried down, but it doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel too dry and cracked and butthole-ish. It's not bad at all. I'm going to have to look into more Ofra lip products because this is the first time that I've ever used it. This feels really nice. Okay, kudos to Ofra. I like it. Last, Alamar Cosmetics Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1 in... Don't make fun of me, okay? I'm going to try to say it correctly. Okay, I'm gonna try. Reina del Caribe. Sorry, okay, I tried. Reina del Caribe. It's this eyeshadow palette volume 1. These colors are gorgeous. The shadow is stunning. The pigmentation is amazing. They blend so nice. The texture is really beautiful. Stay tuned for my thoughts on this. Let's put this eye look together, shalln't we? So I've seen other tutorials on this eyeshadow palette, and it seems like a lot of the looks are kind of the same, and no shade, but I want to try to do something a little bit different just for a little bit of variety. First, let's zoom in a little bit, okay? Hi. Why am I so entertained by that? I don't know. So we're gonna go in with Cocoa Taxi It's this like a goldenrod color. We're gonna go right in this crease. This is sort of the base color. Pretty, I like it so far. I wanna bring it down a little bit. There we go, yes, yes, yes. Down onto that lid with a pointed crease brush. We are gonna go into Tropico, and we're gonna go into the outer corner. Wowee, holy moly, is that a gorgeous color. We're gonna grab Cocoa Taxi again and blend. Holy beautiful, wowee. These colors are blending so pretty. No patchiness, no skipping due to the shadow. If there's any skipping, it's because of my old eyelid. Okay, let's deep up that corner just a little bit more. We're gonna grab a Guantanamera. Don't make fun of me. Okay, I'm trying to say it correctly. That's how you say it. Just in that outer edge, okay? We're doing a sunset kind of a moment. And this time we're gonna grab a little bit of Tropico, just a little bit on the tip of your brush, and blend that outer corner. Now with a little bit more of Tropico, we're gonna very lightly trace that crease, just for a little bit of definition. I'm gonna take some Sephora concealer. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. That will keep it nice and warm, so it'll be easy to work with. And I'm gonna take a concealer brush. This part is a little bit tedious, but it is worth the effort, okay? So you're gonna take a little bit of concealer. Don't load up too much. You will regret it. I'm gonna tip my eye back, starting from the inner corner, and then working only to the middle. We're only trying to cut the very front of it. Does that look ridiculous? It won't for long. I know it does now. Okay, now that we've got that on, we're gonna take this round shader brush, and I'm gonna take this beautiful color, La Costa, and we're gonna place that on top of where we put this concealer. Ooh, it's pretty. We're gonna blend this line, okay? This looks ridiculous. Just hold on to your horses, okay? Hold on to your horses. I'm gonna use that pointed brush, and I'm gonna mix Cocoa Taxi and Tropico, tap off the extra, and then just just pat it right on that middle. All right, then I'm gonna grab a little bit of La Costa with my finger and dab along that center to kind of try to bring that highlight back. Now that we have a nice pretty blend. Done. Holy cow. This eyeshadow is gorgeous. Here's what I'm gonna do. So we've done warm sunset on top, and then I wanna do these really beautiful bluey tones. You know what? We're just gonna go for it. Hopefully it'll work out. So I'm going to grab my little e.l.f. lip brush. Remember I showed you this a couple videos ago? We're gonna grab, let's go with Celia. Wow, that is vibrant. So I'm gonna blend this down pretty low. You're pretty much covering that whole little eye bag. Before I go any further, we have this pretty eyeliner that I want to use. This is charcoal. I know that there was 2 colors in the Boxycharm this month, but I got charcoal. So I'm just gonna use it, man, okay? And I'm gonna tight line. You know how I feel about tight lining. It's necessary, but it sucks. And I'm gonna do it on the bottom wet line too. So, is this an eyebrow pencil? No, eye pencil. Well, I can't tell if the color's muted or the pencil just sucks, but it's not really going on real easy. So, I don't love it. I don't love it. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. I'll be polite. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into El Malecon. It's a very vibrant lime. I'm going over Celia and then bringing it into the inner corner. Holy shit. God damn, that is pretty. I'm going to apply mascara, just any old mascara, and lashes. And the lashes that we're using today are these Baddington lashes that came in the box in the style Monroe 3D Silk. And I'll be right back. I have the lashes on, and then I also took some black eyeliner and went just like right from the lash band to the inner corner, just to kind of clean that up a little bit. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a flat definer brush and I'm gonna dip into Cafecito. That's this matte brown color. Knock off the extra, and then I'm just going to right in this outer edge. Just stamp that lash line just for a little bit more definition. As you can see, I already have brows on, foundation, blush, contour, bronzer, highlight, all of that jazz. But what I don't have on is lips. But lucky for all of us, lips came in the Boxycharm. So, okay, so I'm going to use this NYX lip liner in the color London. Okay, lips are lined, and then we're gonna go into this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Verona. That is brown. Whoa, that's brown. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel. I'm very unsure. This is very outside of my comfort zone. My teeth probably look like corn. Do they? They might actually look better. I don't know. All right, let's zoom out. Okay, let's zoom out and talk about it. Okay, this is the finished look. So my verdict on the eyeshadow is it's awesome. It's awesome. I'm really looking forward to more eyeshadows from this company. I'm gonna definitely look into it. There's really no fallout to speak of. They blend really nicely. The texture is really beautiful, buttery, creamy, smooth, very blendable, great color payoff. I'm really into this. Have you tried them? Tell me all about it in the comments. I'm really excited about these products. I'm really excited about the face brushes and this bum bum cream. Get my bum bum looking Brazilian. I'm excited to get into this eyeshadow palette and try to make up some more looks. The colors are so pretty. I can't say enough good things. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching today's video. If you liked it, then please tell me with a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. I put out a new video every Thursday, and you can also follow me on all the socials. Everything's on the screen right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Okay, I'm trying to figure out this background situation and this lighting. I'll get there. Okay, I'm not an expert. I'm trying. I'm trying. Shit. This might be a fucking disaster, you guys. I don't know. I am out of my mind.